No. The Carolina Hurricanes like to be creative when it comes to their visitors' helmets. They originally switched from the white helmets to the red for a limited time, certain amount of games. That gained traction. Some other teams followed suit, like the San Jose Sharks, the Toronto Maple Leafs when they played in Sweden. But no. This is too far. What are you, a bunch of jacks? What are you thinking doing this thing with a visitor's helmet? This was okay, a little demure, a little cutesy, a little mindful. This is just the pendulum going far in the other direction. Can we just... Okay, poor Taylor Hall. He thought that Mikko was going to help him get to the promised land with the Hurricanes. No offense, Canes fans. Mikko did you dirty. I wouldn't like this even if the away jersey had more black than red. What do you think about this change? Should Carolina continue to do this? Comment below, let me know.